Good morning. In today's video I will be giving a rundown on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Cardano and Ripple. So here we go. Bang. I am looking at the Bitcoin daily chart here, and we had that run up in 10k on the 13th of February, and we've had this correction down to the 50% retracement level, Mr. Gann's level. We've touched it, and we're currently sitting in the cloud. So I would anticipate that would come down and touch the 61.8 like a lot of other altcoins and cryptos have done. So that's what I would be thinking given the state of the market at the moment. Drilling down to other time frames, this is the 15 minute. Yeah, the 15 minutes obviously not that very conclusive looking at markets and stuff, but it does give me an edge, so I like to look at it. I'll just take Ichimoku off and look at it from a fractal standpoint. Yeah, there's a bit of market structure coming in on this lower time frame, which is encouraging, but yeah. Moving on to the daily. The daily's got this clear down trend happening. You can see the bearish Kumo here is acting like a trend line, and we're yet to break out of this trend line down. You can see there's a really nice Kumo Kijun breakout, and we got this retest at about 9,700, and we've been moving lower ever since. But yeah, there's some market structure, a base sort of forming, but still it's early doors. Like, we do keep on breaking down from that Kijun level. 4 hour. This is a trend line. You can see, yeah, again the Kumo is acting like a trend line. The Kijun keeps on tracking down. We've got angulation on the Kijun and on the cloud, but Ethusd, the top of the cloud, the white line here is starting to straighten out. So that could potentially be a magnet for price moving forward. Though, yeah, we really need to see how price is going to act back at this Kijun level, if we're going to get a tweezer top and continue to the downside, or if we make a Kijun breakout and then, I don't know, move into the cloud and try to get some more bullish sentiment. So that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin, Vitalik coin, Ethereum, the one and only. Yeah, much the same. I've sort of got 15 minute. Yeah, there's some market structure building if you zoom out. 1 hour. Yeah, we got like a really thin cloud here, and we're dancing with the Kijun and the cloud. The cloud has been very resistive, but yeah, there's nice market structure coming in. Zooming right in to the chart on the hourly though, it's very similar to Bitcoin. Like, we've had this 1, 2, 3 like touches of the Kijun, and we're obviously under the cloud. Yeah, hurry up and wait really, but we are making higher lows. Though, yeah, indecision in the market. I've got no clear buying interest here. 4 hour. Yeah, we still haven't come back and retest the Kijun on the 4 hour. So yeah, clearly a downtrend. Is it double bottoming? Is it triple bottoming? Perhaps. Who knows? We need to wait for more price action, price confirmation, and yeah, Ethusd, cloud's getting fat. Yeah, price. Love these flat. Flattening out clouds, so we shall see what happens. This is meant to be the daily. I'll change it to the daily. Ethereum on the daily. I will throw on the Btcusd on this chart. What have we got here? Btcusd. So yeah, you can see the Ethereum chart's much different from the Bitcoin chart. Like, there's been no bearish TK cross like the Btcusd and Kijun have obviously crossed on the Bitcoin. But yeah, looking at the Ethereum chart, we're yet to have this bearish cross so far. Though, looking at fractal zones also, I'll just throw on the I'm going to throw on the bullish fractals. Yeah, the last fractal, bull fractal, is quite a ways away from price, so that makes me think perhaps we could come down into this area. It'd be interesting to see what price wants to do around that 186 level. Let's throw a fib on her. Throw the Fibonacci, bruh. Bang. So yeah, we haven't even done 50% retracement. We haven't hit Mountain Man. We haven't hit 61.8. Cloud still looks reasonable. The bearish sentiment's not as bad. But yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. Who would be buying this unless you're a, I don't know, amateur, right? So it'd be nice to see it come back into this this last bull fractal, and that would coincide with 61.8. So I would be hands off until that occurs. Dash, digital, Ryan, Taylor, Duffield, Cash, man. The Dash, the digital. So 15-minute. Dash does look a little bit more robust on the smaller time frames. We are like actually piercing like the Kumo, and we've got a bullish Kumo twist, bearish Kumo twist. Looks like we're twisting bullish again. Obviously it's the hours, and it is a ranging market, so you would expect that, I guess, but it does look a tad bit stronger. I know on the 4 hour you'll really get to see the indication that, yeah, it's really playing and making contact with this 4 hour Kijun, and yet to break it. We're still getting rejected. You can see the bearish Kumo is acting as a trend line again. But yeah, we really need to break out of this. We need to break out of this Kijun, clear, like, break above it, and then potentially following candle closing above it, and then Tinkinson might get excited, and we'll get like a weak bullish TK cross, I mean, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But looks a tad stronger. Dash, digital, cash on the daily looks like a complete train wreck. This is just like a classic pump it and we shall dump it. The only thing that's really going for it, I believe, is that we are holding some support at the 61.8 fib retracement. So that remains encouraging, but like, it's just insanity, man. Like, it just pumped, and then you've got this crazy, like, not all that crazy, but you've got this double top action. We lose Kijun. We did get a TK cross, minor bearish TK cross, because it's above the cloud. Throw on Tinkinson, get involved, Tinkin. Yeah, so bearish TK cross here. We lost the cloud. We're consolidating under the cloud. Luckily, we're above the 61.8, and we've made a 50% retracement, which is, I don't know, rational and like tolerable. Yeah, if we get a Kumo twist here, and we close daily underneath the cloud, that's not good news. We can get Chico span to confirm the trade. This indicator lags price by 26 days, but when it's under price, you can see the green line under price, that's bearish. TK cross bearish. Price under Kijun, I mean under Kumo, bearish, but we need to wait for the confirmation of Kumo to twist and price to close under the Kumo for a setup called a Kumo breakout to the downside. And then I like to throw on the 100-day moving average as a filter also, and you can see we're finding support there. So realistically, it's probably a bit sideways. I don't see a trade. I see indecision, and also I would add we're getting a flat Kijun up here, so it might make sense. What's that Kijun level? It's $108. You could easily see price come back, test a Kijun, and then maybe fail back down through the Kumo. And obviously we want to break the 100-day moving average as well, because sometimes you see Kumo breakouts to the downside or upside. The 100-day moving average will destroy that trade. Cardano. What do we got? We're heading in 10 minutes here. I've got to get the job done. Cardano. I'm not going to worry about the 15-minute. It looks like the Bitcoin chart looks similar. Everything's tracking the same. We're under Kijun. We're getting a smaller cloud on the hourly. Yeah, Cardano is similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. We're still tracking underneath the 4-hour Kijun, and we're underneath Kumo. Blah blah. I'll jump over to the daily. And yeah, we've been having these wicks hitting the 61.8, the Mountain Man area. This fib retracement, we've had 1, 2, 3 wicks. We're in the cloud. We're getting some good consolidation above that level. Yeah, indecision really. Sit and wait. I know there's traders that will be hitting these levels and buying, but still we got to just wait for. We've got to be patient. Maybe we get a reversal back up to this Kijun on the daily, and that might provide a shorting opportunity. But yeah, we have to wait for further price action. Yeah, Ripple is weaker than most. I'll just jump straight to the 4 hour. I won't worry about the lower time frames. Yeah, we had the Kumo breakout, retested the Kijun, got smacked down, retested the Kijun, got smacked down. We're building a bit of structure here. But yeah, it's all bearish. We need to hurry up and wait again. Ripple on the daily. I'll just take Tinkinson and Kijun off so we don't give ourselves a headache. Ripple, we're sitting on the cloud. We've done further inroads from a Fibonacci retracement perspective. Whoops, let's try that again. So yeah, I'll change this from a Mountain Man to a reload zone fib. And you can see, yeah, Mountain Man's here, and we've lost Mountain Man, and we're just consolidating under. Like, this is a reload zone, like 61 to 78.6, like it's a value area that buyers may enter the market, though I see it to be a negative thing given the circumstances. Like, we're consolidating under the 61.8, so I'm seeing further downside, I would think, and also out of all of the bigger coins, we've got the Kumo twist. We've got all the recipes for further downside. Obviously, like I said before, in Dash, we need to wait for a full candle body close. But like, if we get a full candle body close, let's just go through all of the parameters. 100-day moving average. We're under the 100-day moving average, so that's not going to stop the Kumo breakout to the downside. And also just the other filters. Chugu spans under price, check. TK cross, check. Prices under Kijun, check. Bearish Kumo future, check. So perhaps we could get a trade set up here. The only negative side being the contrarian to that analysis would be the Kijun here is flattening out, and it's sitting at, what's it sitting at, Mang? It is sitting at 28.5 cents. So maybe price wants to come back up and kiss that and then roll over. Time will tell. But for me, if we close outside the Kijun on a daily and we've got a bearish Kumo twist, Chugu spans under prices underneath 100-day moving average, I'm gonna hit that thing. I'm gonna show it, bruh. So yeah, that's my analysis on the 1st of March 2020. Hope you enjoy. This isn't financial advice. Crypto on.